Welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at Eurusd for this video. Just a big thank you to everyone who has recently subscribed to our channel. Thank you for coming back. Reaching our goal of 1,000 subscribers, so we're getting really close now. So thank you all very much for subscribing. So back to the video, Eurusd. Looking back at last week just quickly, we've basically were stuck in this consolidation period. And it wasn't until 14th of August that we got the drop to the downside. So now this is interesting to see where we can actually see if this will continue to go further down, so extend further down our trend line that we've got down here. This may have become invalid now because we have pushed below. So in terms of what we are looking at, we could see this potentially come all the way down to this bottom level and test this period, and that's at 1.10343, sorry, in that sort of area, and we could expect this to bounce back up, just depending on how price action responds to this level. Another scenario is, so we'll just draw it here, and we see whatever happens here, we could get the bounce back up to here. The other scenario is that this price comes back to retest this level, and then it heads down here. So I'll probably get rid of this one actually, just because the second scenario makes more sense. So expecting price to retest this level before we head down to the downside. If, however, we see price close above, we could expect this to act as support, this resistance level, this resistance zone, sorry, before we head and potentially come back to retest our daily downtrend. So they're one of the two options that we are looking for, and the best possible entry. Ultimately, if we do get to this point and price doesn't come up for the retest, we will look here and see what happens if we either continue to go downwards or if price is able to make the retest to come back up. So depending on how price reacts to this level, we will inspect that and definitely update this on Twitter. And all these position points will be updated on our Twitter. So just quickly just showing you our Twitter, we just post the key points that we notice of the week. So if you are just looking into some specific pairs, follow our Twitter channel at KMTRADERS_. It'll just give you a brief understanding of how and when we're entering and our decisions behind every trade. So with a little bit of analysis, so it's good for all types of traders really. And finally, before we leave, just a quick subscribe to our channel will be great. Getting very close now to our 1,000th subscriber goal. So if you would like to be a part of our community, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll catch you next week.